Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Telegram SMS fee problem on iPhone. To do this, first go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Search for the Telegram application. Tap on Telegram. Then tap on Offload app. After that, reinstall the app. Now go back, open the App Store, search for Telegram. Update your Telegram application if an update is available. Now try logging into Telegram again. Tap on Continue. Now check your email and get the verification code. By following this process, you may be able to solve the problem successfully. If this method doesn't work for you, then you can try these 3 additional methods. Method 1. Don't request a code repeatedly. If you tap Send Code too many times, Telegram may switch to a paid SMS verification. Wait 24 hours, then try again. Method 2. Try using a different network or a different SIM card. Method 3. Use the Call Me option if it's available. Tap Didn't get the code, then choose Receive a phone call. This option is usually free and helps you avoid SMS charges. Thank you for watching.